Today, we are going to share more details about the Anker SOLIX home power panel. This will give you a basic understanding of what it is and what it can do when paired with the Anker SOLIX F3800. Here's the home power panel. It is essentially a smart panel that allows you to couple the F3800 with your home electrical system. It measures 13.0 x 19.75.7 inches, which is pretty much the same size as a computer screen, but thicker. We have the on-off switch here with the Wi-Fi button next to it, and the lights here indicate the connection with the grid, the F3800, and the backup load center. At the bottom of the panel, there are two connection ports for connecting it with the F3800. Let's get a look at the inside of this panel. You'll see a batch of grid connections here that need to be connected with the input wires from the main panel. The wires between the main load center and the home power panel could either go from the left side or the bottom of the home power panel. On the right side, there are the connections to the backup load centers. The wires here could also go either from the right side or the bottom to connect the home power panel to the backup load center. Also, there are 3 CT connectors here to connect with the current transformer to detect the power from grid and solar. If you are planning to install it, only simple steps are needed to hook it onto the wall. To connect the home power panel to the main load center, you will need to switch off the main breaker first. Then, place a breaker in the main load center, which is the main electrical panel that is already present in your house. After that, connect it with the home power panel. Let's start by connecting the hot wires, the neutral wires, and the ground wire with the home power panel. After that, connect the wires to the side of the main load center. The hot wires should be connected to the breaker, which the electric current will flow through. Next, connect the neutral wires to the neutral bus bar and connect the ground wires to the other side of the bus bar. The connection with the home power panel and the backup load center is nothing more than repeating the same steps. After finishing all these installations, simply just plug in the F3800 and push the on button. Then you'll have everything ready to enjoy the benefits of this power system. In the daytime, power goes from the grid-tied solar system to power the house and feeds the F3800. If you don't have a grid-tied solar system, you could still feed the F3800 with grid power during off-peak hours. In the nighttime, when the electricity cost is high, the power stored in the F3800 will go from here to here and join the main power here to power the house. And when there is a blackout, even though you don't have grid power, the F3800 will still power your backup loads connected from this end. All of these will be operated automatically by the system once you have done the initial setups on the Anker app.